exclusive details of transactions between CBI accused number 1 Rhea Chakrabarti and talent management agency that is Kwon. We have accessed stunning details of financial transactions between Kwon and Sushant's former partner Rhea Chakrabarti as well. As ED investigates the financial link, questions rise over why was Kwon making multiple payments to Rhea. These are large transactions that have now come under the radar of the Enforcement Directorate. Let's go across to my colleague Niranjan now joining us live from the Mumbai newsroom. Niranjan, these are large transactions we are talking about, and after several of the Kwon members as well as employees have been called in by the NCB for questioning, now they are back in the focus of the Enforcement Directorate.
That's correct. And Amit Chaudhary has accessed the details. What we'll do is we'll get Amit Chaudhary live as well. And essentially, these are transactions, and we'll put out the details of these transactions. They range from 2019 to 2020. Some of the transactions and the deposits from the drug company Kwon continue after Sushant died. So we'll put out the details that we are accessing part by part in the course of the next few hours. Just to tell our viewers that today on Republic TV, we have at least 5 or 6 news breaks, and we will keep getting you one news break every hour. So on top of 9 a.m., we're getting you the news break of the multiple payments that Kwon made to Rhea Chakrabarti. These are payments made from 2019 to 2020. We have the full details of the payments. They raise questions. These payments raise questions, and that's why these are the payments that are under the Enforcement Directorate radar. The Enforcement Directorate is looking into each of these payments, Richa, which means that it is critical, and they also feel that the payments are unusual. Why is Kwon under the scanner? Kwon is under the scanner because they were managing celebrities and also supplying drugs to them. Their bosses are also being questioned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Now, these are some of the payments. Let me, get this closer to the camera so that you get an idea of the kind of proof that we have, the details that we're accessing. For example, this is one payment that was made 6th of July 2019, Kwon Talent Management Company, around 2.75 lakh rupees. So different tranches in which payments were made. I'm going to read out some of the details of the payments, and we'll put out the graphics as well of that. On the 4th of October, Kwon made another large payment, of nearly 1.18 lakh rupees. And I'll read out some of the payments to give you an idea. On the 4th of June 2019, Kwon made another payment of 1.59 lakh rupees. So every month or bi-monthly, there were these payments that were coming in, and these were large amounts of large payments that were being made. So what we'll also do is we'll get Amit Chaudhary, we'll go across to Piyush and Madhurima also joining us on the broadcast. As far as Kwon is concerned, Kwon is being investigated. Why was Kwon, some of the questions that come to our mind, why was Kwon making these payments to Rhea Chakrabarti? And these are payments that go into several lakhs, over 40 lakh rupees in the span of a few months, and not just to Rhea Chakrabarti's account directly. And that's another big news break on Republic TV that we will get to you in a few minutes. Kwon was also making payments to accounts which were being jointly held by Rhea and her mother. Why was that being done? These are some of the questions that we have. Let me go across to Amit Bharadwaj. The reason why we're putting that out is because these are payments that are under the scanner. And some legitimate questions arise. And let me go across to Amit Chaudhary. Amit Chaudhary, take us through the details of these payments that you have accessed. How many payments were made in all? Because we have some of the details of these payments with us, the proof of these payments, and how many payments were made, and how much of this is under the scanner?
देखिए, फिलहाल मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं, ये पेमेंट जो है ये मार्च 2019 से लेकर के जुलाई 2020 तक का है, और इसमें टोटल अगर हम इसको करें तो करीब 40 लाख की पेमेंट है जो क्वान की तरफ से ये पेमेंट हुई है रिया चक्रवर्ती को। और ये अंडर स्कैनर इसलिए है, ईडी की जांच का विषय इसलिए है क्योंकि देखिए लगातार कई मल्टीपल ट्रांजैक्शन हुए हैं, और वो क्वान ने रिया को दिया। अब ये किस लिए पैसे दे रहे थे, क्यों दे रहे थे, ये फिलहाल जो है वो जांच का विषय है। फिलहाल इसको इन्वेस्टिगेट किया जा रहा है क्योंकि जो जया शाह है, जो कौन की पार्टनर है और साथ ही में सुशांत की पहले वो टैलेंट मैनेजर रही है और रिया का टैलेंट का काम वो देख रही थी, उसने ईडी के सामने ये माना है कि 10 करोड़ रुपए जो है वो क्वान की को सुशांत सिंह के अकाउंट से दिए गए। लेकिन जब उस 10 करोड़ रुपए पे सवाल खड़े हुए तो बोला गया कि ये उसके बिजनेस के बदले में है। तो सुशांत सिंह यहाँ पर क्वान को पैसा दे रहे हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्वान जो है उल्टा रिया को पैसा दे रहा है। तो जाहिर सी बात है, इस ट्रांजैक्शन पर सवाल उठने लाजमी है कि आखिर रिया ऐसा क्या काम कर रही थी जिसके बदले में जो है क्वान उसको लगातार पे कर रहा था। क्या इसका कनेक्शन किसी तरीके से, क्योंकि देखिए जो व्हाट्सएप चैट है उसमें ये बात तय हो गई है कि क्वान जो है अपनी सेलिब्रिटीज को, अपने जिनका वो टैलेंट मैनेज करता था, उनको ड्रग्स उनके लिए प्रोक्योर करता था या ड्रग्स उनको प्रोवाइड करता था। तो क्या ये जो ट्रांजैक्शन है इसका कहीं ना कहीं ड्रग्स से कनेक्शन है, या फिर ये किसी एंडोर्समेंट के लिए रिया को दिया गया? तो फिलहाल इस चीज को जो है वो इन्वेस्टिगेट किया जा रहा है। जी
Okay, we'll try and get you live as well. Stay with me. Let me go across to Amit Bardwaj. I think Piyush is also joining us live. Piyush is joining us live. Amit, thank you for that. We'll try and get you. Amit Chaudhary, we'll get you live as well. Piyush joining us live along with Madhurima. Piyush, Kwon is under the scanner. You have been reporting from the Narcotics Control Bureau. The talent that they were managing, they were caught supplying drugs to them. These are top management people at Kwon, including their bosses, their co-founders, their managing partners. But some of these payments, like Amit Chaudhary said, payments made after Sushant died as well. In June, in July, raised some very, very serious questions. Piyush.
Well, Niranjan, you would remember that we have been reporting that how there has been a massive link which is being drawn between Kwon and other celebrities. And if we talk about this certain development, this can be, point which should be investigated in fact by the agencies, because at this moment we can also tell to our viewers that we have been drawing the links as to how Kwon was also linked with this drug nexus, because many talent management managers in fact were from the Kwon, and many links have now come out. So if Kwon was giving money to Rhea Chakraborty, that needs to be investigated, because NCB has also said that a huge amount of drugs was there at the residence of Rhea Chakraborty, and Kwon was also in the business of drug supplying. So there could be, we are just saying this, there could be a link between Rhea and Kwon on the basis of drug also. So massive development has taken place, because this transaction somewhere tells us that Kwon was giving money to Rhea Chakraborty. Also, it's important to mention that Kwon is a talent management agency which provides talent managers to celebrities, and if a company is dealing in providing talent managers, then it will ask for the money. It will not give money to its clients. But here the payment is being made to Rhea Chakraborty, and not small amount but big amount is being paid to Rhea Chakraborty. NCB in its statement has also made it very clear many times, multiple times in fact, that drugs were being procured at the part of Rhea Chakraborty, and Kwon's link has also come out in supplying drugs. So there could be possibility that these payments were made in lieu of drugs, and this is only a possibility which we are picking. Though Amit Bardwaj has got very important details in which he has accessed the documents in which it is mentioned that how for at least a complete 1 year, from March 2019 till July 2020, more than 1 year in fact, payments were being made to Rhea Chakraborty, and it's high time that the Enforcement Directorate, which was already investigating the case of money laundering, should also see on this massive development which has now taken place, because these payments are now in question.
Yeah. You know, Richa, so these are payments that are really suspicious, and these are payments, Richa, that were made even in June after Sushant died, in July, a month and a half after Sushant died as well. So these are payments that, like Amit Chaudhary said, ran into several lakhs of rupees. Nearly half a crore was transferred from Kwon, is what we have with us. In fact, I'm just going to show some of the details of how these payments were made. If you focus on this part, 4th of June, for example, 4th of June from Kwon, 1.59 lakh, one transfer that was made. Again, the same payment. And then you had a payment, here made on the 4th of October 2019. This was about 1.18 lakh. So some of these payments, could also be related to the work that they may have perhaps employed, they may have done for Kwon. But that's not the point. Point also is that the Enforcement Directorate believes there is more to the payments that were made, and that is why this is under the scanner. Let me go across to Madhurima to get in a word. Madhurima, as far as the Narcotics Control Bureau is concerned, Rhea's bail plea is up for hearing today. What are some of the arguments that she has made? Because the financial angle, no aspect has been ruled out by the CBI. The financial angle is one of the key angles in this case. As far as Rhea's bail is concerned, bail plea is concerned, tell us more about what she's arguing today.
Yes, well, Riya Chakrabarti has been arguing on the point that yes, she is not directly involved in any sort of drug nexus, and that whatever chats have come out, it's more of a harmless transaction between the stars whom she has named and Sushant. We even know that she is trying to put the entire blame on the late actor. So these are some of the few arguments which Riya Chakrabarti will be keeping in front of the court, but however the NCB will be opposing, because the NCB is of the view that if Riya gets out, she will tamper with the evidence. She will, let people who are involved in this case, she will alert them. So this is one reason that the NCB is highly likely to, will oppose, not likely, will oppose Riya's bail plea, because it is imperative that Riya is kept under the custody as more names are to be come out. Riya has been arguing that she has not been directly involved, but with the latest exclusive that we are reporting today, it seems quite evident that Kwan, which is in epicenter of this entire drug cartel, was in cahoots with Riya and was, paying Riya Chakrabarti rather very large amount. And like you highlighted, that the amounts were even being paid after the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. That means that even after Sushant Singh Rajput died, they continued to pay Riya. So whatever the business was, they thought that the entire episode will be hushed with the case by dubbing it as a case of suicide, and they continued with their work until the time the entire matter exploded and Riya Chakrabarti was brought under this scanner. So this is this seems like a massive explosive news that we have reported today, because this highlights that yes, Riya Chakrabarti was in cahoots with Kwan. This is one new angle which has come to the light and shows that yes, there might be a high possibility that the two were engaging in in procuring and buying and selling drugs to all these stars who are under the scanner right now. Back to you.
Okay, thank you for joining us with those inputs. Let me go across to Amit Chaudhary, who broke the story of the transactions. He's accessed the full details of the transactions that are now under the Enforcement Directorate radar. Amit Chaudhary, ये बताइए, ये जो transactions है, why do they raise a suspicion? Why are they suspicious? Tell us about what you're hearing from your agency sources. Amit?
देखिए फिलहाल मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के अकाउंट से क्वान को कितना पैसा हुआ है उसकी जांच चल रही है, और फिलहाल क्वान की तरफ से रिया चक्रवर्ती को पैसे क्यों मिले इसकी भी जांच हो रही है। मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि करीब 40 लाख का जो अमाउंट है वो क्वान ने रिया को पे किया, और इसकी जो शुरुआत हुई है वो 12 मार्च से हुई है। 3,96,825 रुपये जो है वो रिया चक्रवर्ती के अकाउंट में क्वान ने डाला, और ये लगातार चलता गया, और ये जो है करीब मार्च 20 मार्च को आखिरी ट्रांजैक्शन जो हमारे पास है 20 मार्च 2020 को ये रिया चक्रवर्ती के अकाउंट में क्वान ने डाला। और क्वान पर लगातार जिस तरीके से सवाल खड़े हो रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से चैट सामने, किस तरीके से टैलेंट मैनेजर के माध्यम से जो सेलिब्रिटीज़ है उन तक ड्रग्स पहुंचाया जाता था, या फिर ड्रग्स की जो उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट है उसको पूरा किया जाता था। एनसीबी जो जांच कर रही है कि क्या क्वान जो है वो कमर्शियल यूज़ ऑफ ड्रग्स में इन्वॉल्व था, क्या अपनी पार्टीज़ में वो ड्रग्स का कमर्शियली यूज़ करता था, और अगर कमर्शियली यूज़ करता था तो उसकी पेमेंट कैसे होती थी। तो अब जब ये रिया चक्रवर्ती का जो ये 40 लाख का जो ट्रांजैक्शन की डिटेल जो हमें मालूम पड़ी है, जो रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क के पास है, कहीं ना कहीं वो भी सवाल खड़े करता है कि क्वान जो है वो रिया चक्रवर्ती को क्यों पे किया करता था, रिया ऐसा क्या काम करती थी क्वान के लिए, किस तरीके की सर्विसेज देती थी, कि क्या चीज़ जो है उसके लिए ये जो है ये भी रडार पर है, और इसकी भी फिलहाल जांच चल रही है। जी
Amit, thank you for joining us with those inputs. I'm handing it back to you for now, Richa. So like Amit said, these transactions raise suspicion because some of these transactions were made after Sushant died, and these were large transactions that were made that have also come under the Enforcement Directorate radar. The Enforcement Directorate believes, when they look at the pattern, there is much more than what it appears to be. These were not just payments for services rendered is what we hear. And the Kwan staff, Kwan managers are already under the scanner for supplying drugs to actors. So all angles are being investigated on this. That's why they're raising a suspicion. I'm handing it back to you, Richa. Amit Chaudhary, Piyush and Madhurima, thank you for joining us with those updates.
Right. All right, thank you for that, Niranjan. We'll be bringing you several of these news breaks throughout the day. We'll step into a very short break now. On the other